In this video we are going to cover how to configure Vantage signals to send its alerts to a Discord channel. Similarly, users can send their alerts to Telegram and Twitter. See our other explainer videos to configure integration for those additional social outlets. To add a social channel for signal reporting, navigate to the Channels menu and make sure you are on the Social tab. Here you can add configurations for outbound signaling to any of these social media platforms. When we choose to add a Discord channel, we can see it's a very simple configuration. We just need to name this something meaningful for us so that we know where we are sending this signal when we select it for notifications, and then the actual webhook we want to send the alerts to. Let's jump over to Discord to take a look at this. First, let's talk about what it is we are reporting. For algorithms, when they alert, they tell us if it is a bull or bear alert, the asset, and the current price at the time of the signal. We report the reliability of the signal's historic operations. Notice there are 3 intervals here. Users can configure 0 or up to 3 tracking intervals or TIs for standalone signals. The platform tracks the performance of the asset this many minutes after the signal fired to gauge its reliability, potential for gains, and overall risk. We can see this signal currently has only experienced a 50% success rate whether observed within 2 hours after the signal, 4 hours after the signal, or 12 hours after the signal. We determine if a signal is successful at a tracking interval based on if the price has gone up or down more at any time during that tracking interval. This also determines if we record a gain or a loss for this signal for this TI. We report the average gains and losses at the exact same tracking interval time frames. We also report the gains and losses separately, which users can leverage to gauge risk prior to entering this trade. Lastly, we report how many consecutive successful trades this bot has made. Currently it appears that LRC had a loss on its last signal, and this bot has only been running for a little over a day. After we receive a bull or bear signal like this, we also follow up with reporting at each TI period. So for LRC we will come back and report how well this signal performed over the last 2 hours, and then again after 4 hours and one last time after 12 hours. These follow-up reports can also be silenced in your algorithm. Now that we understand the signals coming to channel, let's make a test channel and create a webhook to report to it. We can add a new channel and call it whatever we want. After we create the channel, we can navigate to it and click on the gear to edit its settings. Here we want to select integrations and then click on Create Webhook. We can name the webhook whatever we want. This is who the message will show from in channel. We can copy our webhook to clipboard here and don't forget to save. Now let's jump back over to Vantage Signals and paste our webhook and save. We can click on the gear to go back in and edit the Discord webhook at any time. Now that we have configured a Discord channel, we can choose to have an algorithm report to it. If we open a new algorithm, we can see here at the bottom of the core configuration that we can choose to report this signal to whatever channels we have configured across any of the social media channels. The same thing applies for strategies. We can choose to report to any social media channel we have defined. There are some differences with strategies. We only report the asset, price, reliability, gains and losses actually incurred by the bot, the consecutive success rate, and the average hold time. Also, users can customize the title and message for each bull and bear flag that is sent from this strategy. We hope you found this video useful. Please watch more of our explainer videos to power up your proficiency on the platform. Thanks for watching.